So today, guys, we're gonna be reacting to Machine Gun Kelly freestyle.
I'm trying to tell you.
The bomb drop.
Exactly.
We grew up listening to the bomb drop.
So we're gonna be reacting to Machine Gun Kelly freestyle. He's alright.
Drop the bomb on it.
Rolling.
We're gonna be reacting to him. Let's see how it goes.
Shut up, man. Let me do I'm wearing my voice out. Me and them EST boys, me and Harp Pierre, you know what I'm saying? We were drinking them Long Island's voices a little raspy. Let me warm up. Whatever you want to do, I can do it. No, stop. Getting out of control. Look, when you mentioning Cole, why ain't you mentioning Kells? And when you talk about greats, better put me up there with Drake. And when they mention the lyrics, I hear them talk about Kendrick, but next time put my name in it before you finish that sentence, fool. There it is. The voice is back. Flex.
Kells.
See?
We out here. Yes. Lace up. Kid. Yeah. Okay. Kid Kells.
Boy, let me get my tools in. The game open, they goes for me, man. Tell me who let you in. And the crack between the wild shows, small you couldn't even fit your folks in. Dumb heat whenever I speak. MC 6 feet underneath all them tulips. Now he's shooting. MGK, now he. Yo, sick never just. Every day making the street. Suck on my dick and you will. Smoke a little weed again. Higher than a motherfucker. Tell somebody hard on my name in the street out like. Okay, I meet him, greet him. Get his girl, leave him. Cups I beat them. Because I keep them. Never said the POs and cups to pee. I'm England, spending Euros treating. So to the white, I'm European. Rap like crap now, Euro-dean. Come at me with any drama, then my family child will fold you up like an accordion. And accordion to the crack in the sidewalk. Most these rappers, bitches. Breaking down my doors with beef, I will rip you off your hinges. Quit pretending, you pretentious or vicious, then come get at me. Red dots all over your face like acne. Click clack. Yeah. Moment of silence, hold up. Drop a bomb on the Flex.
Let's go.
This moment of silence is dedicated to the rappers in the top 10. One of y'all gotta talk amongst yourself
And pick which one of y'all is gonna get out and let me in.
Something's got to give.
Yeah, so go ahead. One of you top 10 people, go ahead. Just
We'll let them decide.
Yeah,
Amongst themselves.
Okay, can we get a little here? This is the sound of shuffling. This is your feet. You're walking out. This is me walking in. You hear Sasquatch feet.
Into the iTunes section.
I didn't ask for top 1, top 3, top 5. I said top 10,
Yo,
so I'm minus. I'll take 10.
low-key sucks.
I'll
Eminem
take
won
10
the
and a
battle.
half. I just need some room. I'm gonna keep proving myself. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and that was warm up. Is the voice sounding alright? I think it's alright.
Matter of fact, rest in peace to DJ Starchild that passed away.
Okay.
A true legend. Fever Records, the Club Fever, the SNS Club, gave birth to Kid Capri.
Sucks.
DJ Starchild,
I'll
give
give better content.
Okay.
This song title is called
The Truth. That's what this beat is from. All you hip hop heads, I hope you know that. Beanie Siegel, Kanye, classic. It's called The Truth, so it's no coincidence why I want it. It's alright. Flex. Look, they be saying best rapper alive, who kills who you ought to know. I chop these other rappers down, they falling like Geronimo. Hotter though, haters in the flows need to stop it. I will hit that bitch, pass around the room like a bop it. Back to the topic, and in case you forgot it, it was all about my dick and how you hate his jocket. F him, she's aight, F you. And if you forgot procedure, let me show you what to do. Make sure you putting 4 fingers down, keep one up. Say if you ain't talking about no money, please shut up. Me, I'm on the come up. I don't know what you bout. 1 million, 2 million. Let me know how you count. And I'm nominated Young and of the Year. A Red Rover. Bring that money over here and stare. Make sure I remain in my lane. But that's symbolic because I'm really on a plane. Look, and I Red Rover, that's ironic because I don't play no games. I don't pass the rock like Jay. I ain't messing with you games. Hold up. Said I don't pass the rock like Jay. Cause I ain't messing with you games now. Excuse my back trick, need no practice. Cause I spit crack like need no rap this. And I'm a star in the galactic, being forward with the kid the wrong way or get your hands one backwards. Open cans and whoop ass like
But his freestyle is on that
patient all week and now I feast on savage.
He needs a ghostwriter.
Each hater's head up like cabbage to eternally bind them in my stomach like marriage. This fairy needs medical, call up the horse and carriage. You don't dig this to grab a shovel, get buried. If I don't get my respect, then I'll cut your family, cut your mother, cut your sister, more importantly your daddy. Shoulda wore rubber, he ain't half the man your bitches. This is literal lyrical combat, get stitches. Me and Flex, Kells is the next best artist in the game. Yes.
But you know what it is? You see us.
You see us.
Funk Flex.
My warm-up's not done. Hold up. Stop that. When you mention
Mentioning Cole, I know you mentioning Kels.
When you talking about the greats, I know you put me up there with Drake. And when you talking about lyrics, I heard you mentioning Kendrick, but next time put my name in it before you finish that sentence. Fool, lace up. Ugh.
Alright guys, so that's about it for today's video. It's kinda short, but it's alright. So Southside G, peace out on the streets, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.